What if restoring a receding hairline was as simple as using one product for just 90 days? That's exactly what the SØREN Hair Regrowth System promises. But before believing the impressive marketing, it's important to separate advertising from evidence. The product claims to stimulate new hair growth, block DHT, restore thinning hair, improve scalp health, and produce visible results without prescription medications. These are bold promises because hair loss is a complex condition influenced by genetics, hormones, age, and overall health, and there is no universal solution that works for everyone. While SØREN includes ingredients commonly found in many hair care products and promotes microneedling as a key part of its system, there is currently no publicly available high-quality clinical evidence proving that this specific product consistently delivers the dramatic results shown in its advertisements. Some promotional materials compare its effects to prescription DHT blockers, yet they do not provide strong scientific studies demonstrating equivalent effectiveness. Another point worth considering is the marketing itself, which often features dramatic before and after photos, glowing customer testimonials, and dermatologist endorsement claims that can be difficult to independently verify. Some online reviews also appear overly polished or potentially AI-generated, making it harder to determine which customer experiences are genuine. In addition, similar-looking hair growth kits and microneedling products can be found on wholesale marketplaces at much lower prices, raising questions about whether the branding reflects unique innovation or simply premium marketing. Consumers have also reported concerns about recurring subscriptions, refund difficulties, and misleading promotional offers, although experiences vary from person to person. None of this automatically proves the SØREN Hair Regrowth System cannot benefit some users, but it does suggest that its biggest claim should be viewed with caution until stronger independent evidence is available. If you're considering buying it, focus on realistic expectations. Verify the company's policies and compare the available research with proven hair loss treatments before making a decision. Based on the currently available information, SØREN Hair Regrowth System appears to rely more on persuasive marketing than on independently verified scientific proof. So, careful research is the smartest approach before investing your money.